What's going on, NEM crew? Welcome back to another video. Today, very quick video. Got a little bit of footage, point of view driving footage of me on my last cruise with the Datsun. I hope the angle is a little bit better. I've tried to do this before, but I can't really use the footage because my camera angles have been all messed up. But that's okay. Hopefully this is a little bit better and you enjoy it. Before we dive right in, I'm not sure if you can tell, but there is some goodies on the Datsun right now. If you can tell and point them out, that will be coming up in an upcoming video. So make sure you like and subscribe, hit the notification bell because those videos will be coming your way very shortly. All right, without further ado, let's dive right in. Hope you enjoy the video. Peace.